I just knew that when I saw this wig, this was going to be my all-time favorite wig. If you have been looking for the perfect everyday throw it on and go wig, a wig that requires little to no maintenance, a wig that you don't have to cut any lace, pluck any hairs, do any kind of prep work, a wig that's comfortable, that's not going to pull your edges out, a wig that you can take off at night and put on in the morning and it still looks good. Girl, I got you. You're gonna love this video. I was sent this wig from LUVME Hair. It is one of their newest wear and go wigs. And when I tell you, this wig is everything that you need in a glueless wig. But you don't have to take my word for it. I'm gonna show you everything and you can decide for yourself. Let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to open this one up on camera so that you can see in real time everything that comes in the packaging. And I love the consistency of the LUVME Hair brand. They always do an amazing job with their packaging. So we of course have the wig. And isn't she gorgeous? We will of course get into all of the details and information in a bit. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. They give us a mesh storage bag to store our wigs in case we do not want to store them in the box. These are always very helpful. I also see this really cute car air freshener. These actually smell amazing. I have a ton of them in my car. Good stuff. There is an elastic edge band to help melt your lace. There is some box labels for those who like to store their wigs inside the box. I believe this is wig lace tape. It's meant to go up under the lace of your wig to help it give it a more skin-like look. I don't use these, but it's nice that they included it anyway. They also provide you with a set of HD wig caps and this really cute thank you note that also comes with wig care instructions and tips. So that is everything that came in the packaging. Now let's get into the wig. This is the all new LUVME Hair All Day Comfort Wig. It comes with a 7x6 HD lace closure. This lace closure comes everything that's pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-parted. It comes with a 3D dome cap design featuring anti-lifted contoured edges for extra security. And this is a glueless wig, so it does of course come with a glueless cap construction. There is a C-shaped ear tab design for protection around your ears. It also has an adjustable elastic band with the silicone grip. This adjustable elastic band is also removable and it can be adjusted inside the wig using 3 different sizing slots. This wig comes with a super comfortable flexi stretch fit cap. This wig also comes with a removable comb in the back. So you have the option of whether or not you want to use combs for extra security. But the most innovative and the best part about this wig is that it features these smart clips to make the wig adjustable for multiple different head sizes. There are 3 different clips in the back to make this wig adjustable for small, medium, and large head sizes. So I have gone ahead and adjusted the elastic band and I have tightened the straps on the wig. Now the lace is a bit transparent, so I do know that I am going to have to tint the lace. I usually do because I am of a darker complexion, but for the sake of showing you what the wig looks like straight out of the package, I'm going to go ahead and try it on as is. Oh wow, that is beautiful. That hairline is absolutely stunning. Now obviously it is very visible because like I said, I am of a darker complexion, so normally I have to tint the lace, but like wow, it's not just the lace for me. I am stunned at the detail in the plucking. Like it looks very natural, the way that the hairline is plucked. Now this is of course a glueless wig, and I will be wearing it 100% glueless. It is very snug. It is very freaking comfortable. Like, it feels like I have nothing on. I am gonna go ahead and tint the lace so that this can look even better. I'm using my favorite lace tint spray, this one from Kiss in the shade dark brown. This is my favorite lace tint spray. If you're interested in trying it out, I will have it linked down below on my Amazon storefront. It's amazing, it's quick drying, and it's peach scented. And now that the lace is tinted, let me show you how good it really looks. Look at that. This is the best everyday wig that anyone could purchase. It has everything. It has comfort. It has versatility. She's that girl. Now this wig is 100% glueless. Like I said, you can always glue your wigs down if that's what you prefer. I personally do not. It makes it a lot easier to just throw it on and go. I love a throw it on and go wig. If I have to do more than like 2 steps to put a wig on, I don't want it. But that's just me. This wig can be parted in several different ways. I did opt for the middle part because that's just easier and more flattering on me. But you can of course part it over on the side. You can actually part it pretty deep. It goes all the way back. And the other side as well. This is what the hair looks like before I brush out the curls. This is cute as is. You can leave it like this, but I am gonna brush out the curls so you can see what that looks like as well. Like, look at this. This is the first time I've ever had a wig that I can go like this with and you not immediately be able to tell that it's a wig. Like, this is the kind of wig you could wear with like no part. Yeah. And I think personally I got the perfect length. I got this wig in a 16-inch, which I feel like is the perfect everyday length. You don't have to worry about having too much hair to maintain. It goes right here with the curls, but if I wanted to wear it straight, it would go all the way down to here. And I'm not getting any shedding either. I haven't lost a single hair. That's what I'm talking about. Let me stand up so I can show you the back of the wig. I have nothing bad to say about this wig at all. Like, nothing. There are no negatives. Normally I have like at least one thing that I would change or make a little bit better, but I cannot think of anything. I even think that they layered it just a little bit in the front, which is amazing. I love that. 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend. 5 stars. Give it to them. 5 stars. That is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you, because girl, this wig is everything. If you're interested in purchasing this wig specifically or any wig from LUVME Hair, I will have all of their information down in the description box below. And if you decide to make a purchase, make sure you use our special coupon code to save 28% off of your orders. You do not have to use our special coupon code, but it is an affiliate code. So anytime you make a purchase with LUVME Hair and you use our special discount code, I get a partial commission, and that is just a small way in which you are able to help support me and the content that I create here on this channel. And speaking of support, if you enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It's a free and easy way to share your support. Not only does it let me know that you enjoy this video and the content that I create, but it also helps other women to find these videos so that they can like it, enjoy it as well. And if you're really into wigs, I have a bunch of videos over on my YouTube channel that you should definitely check out. And while you're there, go ahead and subscribe because clearly this is your thing. Like, let's connect. I also make videos about personal growth and how to become an overall better person. So if that's also something that you're interested in, you should definitely already be subscribed to our YouTube channel. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, especially all the way through to the end. You're a real one. But again, thank you so much. I love you. I appreciate you. And I will see you in the next video.